Hey guys, nama saya Kai. Hari ini I'm at Monash University, Caulfield. Now let me show you where I live. Let's go. I've been here for the last 3 months now, and I'm studying banking and finance, and I'm from KL. And what made me come here is I love to experience living by myself. I'm living here in RoomingKos Caulfield, and there's actually a big Malaysian community here. So let me show you around. So this is the building. Before I show you guys inside, let me introduce you to the RoomingKos team.
Hi Kai!
Hey Fab!
Hi! What do we have here?
Well, we're filming a tour video on RoomingKos Caulfield.
Right. Hi all, I'm Faye Brienne. I'm the manager here at 11 Dudley Street. If you need anything, Kai, contact me. Any maintenance, any inspections that you need, you are more than welcome to contact me.
So this is my level, and all levels are pretty much the same. There are laundry, kitchen, and there's also a common room. My room is pretty messy right now, but the RoomingKos team allowed me to show you guys a spare room which is pretty much the same as mine. So come, let's take a look. In this room, we have a single bed which does all the job, and the RoomingKos team actually provides all the necessities you need. So you can just ask from the team, and they're all really friendly. And here we have a dual switch air conditioner, which it can keep me cool or it can keep me warm anytime I want, depending on the season. And over here, we have a small study desk that is really nice because it's right next to the window. I get enough sunlight, so I can study here or I can study at campus, which is really nice. And next, we have a toilet here. This toilet pretty much does the job, and there's a toilet bowl, there's a sink, and there's also a shower, so everything you need is right here. And lastly, we have a wardrobe which I can store all my clothes and everything I have. So it's pretty big, and there's a mirror as well, so I can check myself out before I go out. So I think it's pretty good lah. So yeah. So this is the common area, and it's free for everyone to use. You can chill with your friends, hang out, you can even make food here. And speaking about food, let me take you to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and there's a lot of fridges here. There's also freezer, so you don't have to worry about not having fridge to yourself, as each unit actually have their own fridge. And there's also a lot of stove here, so you don't have to worry about not having enough space to cook or like it's too occupied. And as you can see, it's pretty clean here because there's a rule that after you use this facility, you have to clean it up. But even if it gets a little bit dirty, there's a cleaner that comes 5 days a week to clean everything. So it's quite hygienic here. As you can see, it's really clean. And there's also the microwave there, and there's enough sinks for everyone to use here. So this is the laundry room, and everything in here is activated by F-Pos. So it's all pretty easy to use, and it's convenient. So let me tell you about the convenience of this place. So RoomingKos Caulfield is only that way, and only a 5 minutes walk lah. And it's really convenient, and I can just sleep in late and I don't have to wake up early, which I really like lah. So jadi sangat mudah. I don't know if you guys can see it, but sana ada satu Coles, which is our supermarket, and it's really nearby. So let me take you around and show you around. Let's go. So belakang saya ada satu 7-Eleven, and I know us Malaysians, we love going to 7-Eleven because it's really convenient, right? And sini ada satu KFC, and then I know it's not as good as the one in Malaysia, but it still gets the job done, right? And right here ada satu station kereta api, and what I love about it is it's really near our place, and it's only 10 minutes away from the CBD, which is the city, and there's a train every 5 minutes, so it's really convenient. And right here we have a shopping street where there's a large variety of foods, drinks, and then best part is there's Malaysian food lah, and I really love it here because the Malaysian food is pretty good, you know. Thanks, man. And the coffee here is just great. Melbourne is known for its great coffee, you know. So for my honest review, I would say I'm really happy lah living in RoomingKos Caulfield because it's really close to Monash, as you can see, and also it's really nearby to Coles, which is the grocery that we go to. So it's really convenient lah. Everything I want to do, I want to eat out, I want to go shopping, I want to go buy groceries, everything is here. So location wise, this is fantastic. But I'll say the only thing that I don't really like is that the building is a bit old. But I think for us students, we want convenience and whether it's practical or not, right? So especially in RoomingKos Caulfield, like 5 minutes walk to Monash Caulfield, super easy, and don't have to wake up early lah. I know a lot of people, we want to sleep in a bit later, right? So I really love it here, and like sangat happy lah. I would say the community here is really nice because there's quite a lot of Malaysians here. So as a Malaysian myself, I think it's quite easy to fit in lah. Like, you know, I can make friends. I actually made a few friends at RoomingKos Caulfield because they were also Malaysians. Our background is the same, so very easy lah. One thing I really like is RoomingKos Caulfield actually organizes quite a number of events also. So like they got sausage sizzle where you can make friends, you know, make a lot of kalan bike, you know, and then they give you free food as well. And then right now there's a movie night happening where they're bringing us to go to a cinema nearby to a shopping mall, and it's really nice lah. Like the community, we all can be really cool, really chill, we can make more friends. And yeah, my advice, if you guys want to come here, please sign up early, because I got a lot of friends that couldn't sign up because they were too late, and then they have to live in the city, so it's more expensive, and then it's a bit further away. So you really need to sign up early. And for me, the process was really easy also lah. Like I just paid the first month's rent and also the bond, and then that's it. I already got the room. So as easy as that. So that's it for me, guys.